Okay, so you want to remove special characters from a text string. The method I'm going to show you here uses a function called reduce. Reduce is available in the more recent versions of Excel. If you don't have reduce, then watch my other video that will show you how to do the same thing but using Power Query. So I'm going to start with the substitute function. And substitute allows me to replace a specific character within a text string with another character. So in the first instance, I'm going to replace this hash symbol with an empty text string, which will effectively get rid of the hash symbol. So the first argument is text. Well, that's the text that I want to replace characters within, comma. Then the old text is the hash, the character I want to get rid of. And the new text is what I want to replace that hash with, so an empty text string. So if I close the bracket and press enter, you can see it gets rid of that hash. But the problem is I also want to get rid of this tilde character. And to do that, I would need to use another substitute function. So my text now is the text returned by my first substitute function. And then the old text would be the tilde. And then the new text would be an empty text string. And you can see it gets rid of both the hash and the tilde. Now I'd have to do that for every single character that I want to replace. So I end up with a very long formula. So this is where reduce will come into play. Rather than having to create this series of nested substitute formulas, I can just use one substitute formula that will remove all special characters. Before we use reduce, what you will need is a list of all the special characters that you want to remove. So I've written down the majority of them here in this list. Then what you want to do is put this list within a table because it will make it dynamic. What I mean by that is if I add other special characters to this list, it will automatically get rid of those characters as well within our text strings. Now to put this in a table, just click in a cell within that list and then use the shortcut key Control-T, or you can go to Insert Table, and you must tick this option, My Table as Headers. Then you can give the table a name, so you've got a Table Design tab at the top there. Table name box on the left of the ribbon. I'll call this special underscore characters. Can't have a space in table name. Okay, so now we can use our reduce function. So equals reduce. The first argument is initial value. So the initial value is the text strings with the special characters. So I can actually select all of them, comma. And then array is basically the list of characters that you want to remove, comma. So now I'm on to the function argument. And in the function argument, you need to use lambda. And lambda will allow us to create a name for both the initial value and the array. So the initial value I'll call x, and the array I'll call special character, comma. And now I need to specify the calculation I want to perform. So that's going to use the substitute function, as we did before. And our text is the initial value. So all of the text strings with the special characters within. So I've called that X. And the old text, so the special characters I want to remove, I can now refer to with special character. The new text, so what do I want to replace all those special characters with? That would be an empty text string. And then I can just close the bracket for substitute, close the bracket for lambda, and then for reduce. And if I press enter, you can see it's got rid of all the special characters that I've specified in this list. Now, if I want to also get rid of the dollar, all I need to do is put the dollar in this list of special characters in the next available row, and then it'll get rid of that character as well. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.